we're almost coming to the best part of the presentation, which is the next question, but let's do number 7. It's an interesting one because I've encountered it on one of the conferences, right? And I actually used it in my recent project. Why we are at all having this question here is individual actions, as you're saying. So you have a picture here on the left. So if you have a change event here that's called new, and then there's 4 or 5 dynamic actions, and the problem is these true actions that are defined here, they don't have conditions on them. So if I jump quickly to my application builder, and if I check here and on my action property, there is nothing that says when this needs to trigger, right? There's no conditions on it. So condition exists on the higher level, which is on the event level. So we can say client-side condition, or there's even a server-side condition. But once we start executing these actions here, there's no conditioning in there by default. So I picked up this apex.da cancel event.call API or function, but the node here is unsupported, so undocumented, which means it might bite you back at some point, but if you need to use it, it's probably safe to use for now. And then the other thing is, if I combine these 3 actions into one, then it would, regardless of the code that's coming after this line, it will still execute because it's part of the same action. What I mean by it, just let me quickly jump back, and if I go run, all good. So if I do prevent subsequent events, all good. We're going to have a look at these because it's very useful. So I have a comment in the out section. So we're going to do an alert. We're going to disable an element, which is a com. We're going to execute setting com to value 50. And then I kindly have this comment in out, which is doing cancel event.call. And then the next one is set salary to 10, for example. So if I had one dynamic action that was doing this all in one, so all of this code would be executed. So just keep in mind that you need to separate the 3 in order to stop being in between something. Hopefully that's making sense now.